Welcome everyone. So in this video we will see how to install Java on MacBook. Okay, open any browser and search for Java download. We will get the official website. I also mentioned the website in description. Please check it. Okay, this is the official website. Here we are going to install long-term support, that is JDK 21. Click on JDK 21 and choose the operating system to Mac OS. Here we are choosing ARM64 DMG installer. Just click on the link. It will start to download. So once it's downloaded, open the folder and double click on the JDK21 file. It will open the package file. Double click again and click continue. It asks for the destination and how much space it's required. Click continue again and click install. It will ask for password. Enter your profile password. Once you enter the password, it starts to install in your system. So once it's done, it will show the install succeeded and close. You can move this file to bin. Okay, now let's add Java path. Okay, open terminal and I mentioned this command in description. Copy that and paste in your terminal. Once you paste, hit return and to check Java version, type java space dash version. It will show the version that you have installed. We installed 21 LTS. Okay, now copy this command from description and paste in your terminal again and hit enter, and we added the Java path. To check, enter this command. I mentioned this in description. Echo $JAVA in capital underscore HOME. It will show the path where it's located. And to check Java version, type this command. Okay, now let's run a Java program to check if Java is working or not. Open terminal and type ls. It will show the folders that are available. Now type cd space documents. I'm creating a folder here, mkdir space java test, and hit enter and ls again, allow. So the folder is created. Now cd java test and hit enter. Now we are on Java test folder. By using touch space test.java, enter ls, enter, and the folder is created inside Java test. Let's open that. I pasted a program. Check description, copy that and paste in your file. Let's compile the file. Java C space test.java, hit enter. The bytecode is generated. Let's run again. Java space test. The output is printed. Let's print something else. Okay, let's compile again. Java C space test.java, enter. Java space test, hit enter. The other output is also printed successfully. So Java is working on our machine. Okay, thanks for watching.